gold cell activator and a white cell activator, and then we will be working, but I will show you. So okay, we start off with gold. Get in with a black. Then we come in with the bronze. Get in with the black. Come in with the pearl white. Get in with the quinacridone or nickel as a gold. Now we come in with our white cell activator. Now we come in with a black. Okay, so we are back at it. We have this full cup, so I probably plan to have that full canvas. Not much negative space, but let's see. Ugh, I'm so terrible at that. So let's do it just a safe way. Oh. So now we just let it have a little weight. I already like what we see here. So if the moment I take this out, you will see the cup moving around. But right now I will just let it develop a little bit. So the moment we take this out, you see it traveling. Boop. Here we go. So you see it moving. It's starting to cell up and spread. So let's now have it move. I try to keep as much as possible over here. Let's see. Whoop. I like this a lot, so I'm actually not wanting to lose too much of it. Let's see what we can do here with a little flow extender. Also here. Okay. I like this as it is, but as I said, I wanted not to have too much negative space, so we kind of have and try to avoid the negative space. So where is the weight? Okay, it's right here in the middle. So we slowly have to get this moving over here. Here, let's get this to the edge.
Towards this, let's see, not much, just wait.
That's it. I'm not going to change anything under. Here we leave it, and I think it looks really beautiful. Those are beautiful colors. I will get you on a close-up in a second. Oh my god, I really like it, how it's showing in the camera. So, I think it's a really cool piece. I wouldn't know how to, composition-wise, put it. It could be that way, probably this way. I think it's really nice. But I will have to get you around, so give me a second. Hey, if you like my videos, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification button to see my future videos. Bye!